Hi guys, Ollie and Luke here. Today we are going to try to play with Chan and see if we can get Ollie to play with him. He's a little playful right now. It's right close to feed time and I forgot the puffs downstairs. Chan, what you looking for? Chan's Ollie has a constant battle with Chan's tail there since they began. Chan's mostly unaware of it. So he don't mind if Ollie gets his tail a little. You know, I know you're hungry. You're telling me. So I'll unleash the beast and stick close to Chan and we'll see if Ollie just ignores us or... Chan, you want to try some? Can you get him? Can you get him? You can do it. Come on. There you go. I'll help you. Ollie's very determined. Can you kind of get on? He saw the scraper on the ground. Ollie. Oh, you almost got that one, I heard it. Come on, you can get it. Try right there. Oh man. This one's a tough one or what? Come on, you almost got it. Almost there. Oh. Oh man, there's another obstacle. Right there. Get that one. There you go. Good job. Yeah, man. You must have learned that from Monkey Boo. I gotta hide the shiny, or he will just attack the shiny. I'm not fat. Yeah, you like that, my old man? Chan's getting so old. Oh man, he's all gray in the face. What's he eating? You want one too? You want one too? Oh yeah. You're off. Really? Hey, that's mine. That's my one. Get a puff for Chan. Get a puff for Chan. Ollie likes the package, Chan likes the puffs. It's a beautiful relationship, huh, Chan? Oh yeah. That used to disappear. You like the puffs, bro? Is it good? Ollie! What's going on? Oh yeah, you have a mission? Chan, he's helping you. He's helping you, fat boy Chan. Come on, bro! Good job. Can I come get these things? You guys just love puffs. Want puff on? Oh, you like that one? Oh yeah. All right, Chan. High fives. High five. High five. All right. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah. You want to come? How about high five? Come here. Hey you. High five. All right. You're stubborn one. You weren't gonna do it unless I had a snack for you. That's funny. Let's see if I put one on Ollie's back. I mean on NiiChan's back if Ollie doesn't. Stay. Stay there. It's alright. Stay. Chan, what you doing, silly? Ollie. It's on him, bro. Oh. Chan's on to me. Come on. Here you go. You gonna get some puffs on Chan? Gonna eat a puff on Chan? Whoa. Chan, he's dropping all the puffs for you. Ollie don't like to be on the ground because it's an instinct thing, but he will jump up on Chan now and occasionally we'll ride him around. Even when we're outside, he'll ride him around or use him as a jump off point. Hi, bro. Come on. All right, good job. Good job. You gonna get that one off again? Yeah, Chan's gonna love you. Oh, he's doing it, Chan. Sit. Just wait, he'll give you some. So what's he doing, huh, Sam? Can you lay down and roll it? You're gonna roll it. Oh, snap, up top, up top, up, come on, you can get it. Come on. He's too big. Oh yeah, it's a puff party, huh? Yeah, you liking that? Come on, you're so far away. Get him, Ollie. You're having fun? Maybe he's teething. And I could, yeah, you can kind of tell because his hands are like warm. So he's teething a little bit. You're funny. I'm glad we came up here and tried. Initially I was going to do something else because Colin wouldn't go down to sleep, so I waited a little bit extra and he fell out a little bit. So I was able to do this video instead. I'm kind of glad Ollie and him needed a little bit more socialization. It's been a while, huh, guys? Ollie really likes the puff. Here, you have one, and you have one. There you go. Thanks for watching the only channel on YouTube dedicated to the life of baby Squirrel Monkey. Please like and subscribe.